Right here, your hydraulic looks frozen. That rod?
Yeah, this?
Push on that rod once. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, that's where it comes in and out of it. Looks like it's frozen. What's that?
A few moments later.
What is going on, guys? It is Diehard Angling. We are trolling right now in the middle of December for big walleyes. It is snowing pretty good, really windy out here. Water temps are about 38, 39 degrees, right before freeze up. Air temps about 25 degrees, winds about 15 miles an hour, and it's snowing.
Let me get...
Well, we got the first fish on of the night, guys. We had a hard start. We had to mess around with the motor to get it started. It took a long time to get it started, like almost 2 hours. So we didn't start fishing at dark like we wanted to, a couple hours after dark. But what can you ask for? It's the end of December, it's a snowstorm, it's windy, it's cold, and we got a walleye on. We've only been trolling for about 20 minutes, so we'll take that. I don't think it's a big one though, but it's hard to tell in this cold water. They might not be fighting that hard. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one's a fish, boys. The other one was a weed. This one's a fish. He actually crushed it on that turn. Let me know when we go 20 feet. 10 feet.
Guys, middle of December here. I'm out with my buddy Diehard Angling, hooking into some eyes.
Yeah, in a crazy snowstorm. We're getting it done.
This thing feels good, boys.
Yeah. It could be really big with how slow it went back like that.
It was creeping. This
thing does
Well,
not.
them big ones, they don't really take it. In this cold weather, they don't really slam it.
This thing does not want to give any fucking. Oh, he's running.
No, did he come off? Or... No, he's still on.
No, he's still on. He's fucking.
Yes, sir.
What is up, boys and girls? Welcome to the channel, Tagging Tales Outdoors. Middle of December, met up with my buddy Diehard Angling.
Yes, sir.
We are on a lake that we have fished before. If you would like to know that lake, go to my channel, get down to the fishing videos, scroll through, look for featuring Diehard Angling, and you will find out exactly what lake we are on. Same one that we were on before. I'm with a new guy. My friend just met Austin.
Fish on,
Bringing
baby.
in the third fish of the
dude.
night.
Back up for it.
I sped up a little bit.
Yeah.
Can't even extend the net.
Froze?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big fish, dude. Oh, it's a muskie. It's a muskie. Yeah. Loosen your drag. Loosen your drag.
Gotta bring him close.
He's not going to want to go in that net either. It's a muskie. Yep.
Got him.
Yes, sir.
A muskie in a snowstorm in December. Walleyes and muskies. Walleyes and muskies, boys. They're there.
Hell yeah, man.
And it is cold. My fingers cannot feel nothing because I've been recording.
Oh, man.
Yes, sir. We got a nice muskie here. Walleyes and muskies.
Let me get
Oh, I guess he wants me to quickly.
Yeah, he's gone. You might have to slow us down. Oh my god. I can't stop him. Oh no. Oh my god, bro. Okay. Oh man, slow us down. Oh, I think it might have came off. No. Oh, it's off, bro. Bro, the roads are gonna be so bad. Yes, sir. Another one on. Yes, sir. Can't tell how far we're on. Oh yeah, nice head shake. Nice head shake. You'll build another one hand, eh? Eh?
I'll try. I don't want to lose your phone.
It's right here. It's right here. I could always take that. Hey, when it gets close, you change the phone. Record for now. When it gets close, change the phone. I could back up and record.
Oh, that's a nice one. Looks like a little muskie.
No way. Another muskie?
Is it?
Or it's a bat? Yeah, it's a muskie.
A little one, right?
Yep. Yep, I'm backing up.
Muskie or pike?
Pike. Oh, we caught walleyes, muskie, pike, multi-species night in December. That's going to be the video title, boys. Trolling for walleyes, but catching multi-species. Nice little pike. I'll get you a little look at it, and then we're going to get her off, get her back, because we're trying to catch some
Look at that
walleyes.
upper lip.
Yeah.
All deformed.
All right, guys, we're hooked up with another fish here, and the camera is a bit foggy.
It's cold, boys.
It is cold, boys, but we're catching them. That's the number one thing.
Got him.
All right, Austin, you want to grab this net?
Yeah.
Where is the net? Oh, it's back there already. We're gonna be okay, right? Yeah. Nice
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good job, buddy. In the cold. Alright, well, we're hooked up with another one. We got the third walleye of the night. Muskie and pike. Awesome new fish. It's cold, windy, our hands are freezing.